As me as concerned, from the childhood till until now, I face so many problems and it created trauma for me. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity to me, and thank you, universe, for giving this meditation for me. As me as concerned, from the childhood till until now, I face so many problems and it created trauma for me. And I don't know why all this has happened to me. I was asking to universe why all this happened to me, and I was asking all this for day by day. But then that time I didn't understand what it was learning to me, why the universe is teaching, and I can feel during that time same pattern, repetitive patterns, same sufferings, but I didn't realize at that time. Then when I go through meditation, this meditation, I realized that I must take responsibility to heal. First, I must give importance to myself. Then only I can forgive others. This meditation mainly tells about how to forgive ourselves and also other. From the childhood to till now, we all make mistakes. Sometimes, so many people we have met in our life, and they left when I need the most. Most of the people hurt me and suffer me a lot. Then that time I was very angry. I was in my mind I feeling that okay, I must take revenge of this, but I don't know what to do. It haunted me. That gave me the sufferings, the hurt, the pain. I don't know what to do. Then when I go through this meditation that Naisha ma'am gave to me, through this meditation, I realized the self love and the self care, and I must take responsibility for my healing. When I heal myself, then only I can forgive others. And I can feel a heavy on my back, and heavy something is holding on my back, and I couldn't accept that reality and reality and also forgive others. So when I go through this meditation, I forgive myself that I made a mistake, if knowingly or unknowingly, but I have made a mistake. I forgive myself and the person who has hurt me from childhood to till now, the persons, the peoples, the incidents that I forgive others, and I forgive others, and also I thank to God that I am going to heal. I am taking responsibility for my healing, and it was a wonderful experience that God is helping me to cure this situation.